Tired of manually updating statuses in Smartsheet? Learn to automate it with one simple formula in under 2 minutes. First, set up a column for the result. Then, I'll walk you through the if formula and test it with different statuses. Navigate to the Smartsheet homepage. Then, open the sheet you want to work with. Create a new column. Click on Insert Column Right to add it. Let's name our column Result. Choose Text/Number as the column type. Then click OK to create the column. Now click the cell where you want the formula result to appear. Enter the formula, for example, to check if a task is complete. The formula would be equals IF, status at row equals complete, done, pending. Press Enter. Smartsheet calculates the result immediately. Now change the status to In Progress. The result becomes pending, and when you change it to complete, the result updates to done. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.